Hello again. Welcome to AG Tech House YouTube channel. My name is Joshua Adigun. I am a Microsoft certified trainer. On today's agenda, I will show you how to get notified when there's a major incident or service incident in Microsoft 365. So sometimes some services might be down, and then it's across major continents and major tenants. Microsoft tend to publish those service incidents and then update you on the progress of getting it resolved. And then you can also get notified. You can put in your email to get notified whenever there is a major service incident. So without wasting much time, I will go straight to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center and then show you how to do this. So I have my Microsoft 365 portal, admin portal open, right? So first I'll show you how to see to see major service incident that is ongoing in Microsoft 365. So first I would come back here to the app launcher here, and then let's see, and go to all apps here and then click on admin. I was previously in the Exchange Admin Center. So I'm back here, click on show all, and then to see all the service incidents that is currently ongoing, the services that are down in Microsoft 365, and then what Microsoft is doing to get them resolved is to come over here to health and then see. You have lots of options here. However, you can check the message center to see the services that are down and what Microsoft is doing to get them resolved. Right, so services that are down might be in technologies such as Microsoft Teams, Microsoft 365 Defender, Power BI, Microsoft 365 apps, and other things, right? And then I can also click on the service health to see the health of my tenant, which services are currently down, which one are in advisory mode. That is, Microsoft has pushed out some fixlets to get that resolved, right? And then you can go through the list and also see the services. It can be Exchange Online, Microsoft 365 apps. It can be the Microsoft 365 suite, OneDrive for Business, and the like. So you see all the services down here. However, you can see the active issues Microsoft is working on, right? You can see from here, you can see admins can't sync apps from the SharePoint online apps. You can see everything from here. So this is the affected services SharePoint. You can also see issues from Exchange Online. Yeah, you can see other issues from Microsoft 365 suite and then OneDrive for Business. Then you can scroll to the right to see when update was released, the last time an update was released concerning this issue, right? So you can see all those here, and then you can also see services that are in healthy condition, right? So for Exchange, as you can see here, you have 5 issues that are in advisory. So let's see one of it. We can click on it to get to see more information about this. So yeah, this was last updated today, the 17th of October 2023, and then you can see the user that were impacted by this service incident. And then you can see update from 16th. So an update was given yesterday. You can see update also from 16 at different time. I see 7:40. There's one here at 7:15. And so basically this issue was raised, or was reported rather, on the 16th of October. That's why you can see the from here you can see that update was given at this time, right? Yes, as you can also see from here that estimated start time is on the 16th of October 2023. So without wasting much time, I would show you how to get notified on every major service incident. So you get an email even without coming to the service health or the message center to see issues that are happening to some services in Microsoft 365. Yeah, so when you just click on customize, and then I can decide to select the services I want to get emails on, right? However, I want to get emails on everything here. So I'll click on email here, and then I say send me email notification about service health, right? I click on this, and then the email should include service incidents, advisories, issues in my environment that require action. I can uncheck them and say only service incident, or I can say issues in my environment that require actions, right? And then I can decide to select the services and then uncheck the ones I don't need. So all I do here is to enter the email address. And remember, you can enter up to 2 email addresses, and then you separate them by a semicolon. So quickly, let me get my email from here, and then copy this, and then I put in here. So I've not tried using a Gmail account, so let me try with my Gmail account, and let's see. So yeah, I click on save. So whenever there is an issue, a major service incident, these 2 email addresses get notified, right, on issues in my environment that require actions, right? Or let me select this also, and then I also get notified on service incidents and then advisories, right? Thank you very much for listening to me once again. Kindly like the video, share with your colleagues that might need this video, and also turn on the notifications so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye.